Welcome back to another tutorial video where I'm going to show you how you can install the CapCut application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and type in capcut.com in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into the CapCut official website. Now from the homepage, just click on the download button and this will download the CapCut installer on your device. Once it is downloaded, you can simply open up the file and you can click on the location button to change your preferred location for the app. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And if you already have a previous version of CapCut installed, then this will update the application to the latest version. And after the installation is completed, the CapCut application will open up. And while you may not see any projects, if this is the first time you're using the app, you can click on the Create Project button to create your brand new project right away. And now you can begin editing your video by importing your files. And that is how easy it is to download the CapCut application on your PC and get started with editing right away. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more useful tips and tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.